Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is Thursday, 24th December 2020. Our topic is congruent triangles. We will solve review exercise 10. Question number 2. If triangle ABC is congruent to triangle LMN, then these are two right triangles ABC and LMN. Here A is of 90 degrees, C is 60 and B angle is of 30 degrees. And on the other triangle LMN, L is of 90, N is of 60 degrees and M is 30 degrees. So A is congruent to L, B is congruent to M and C is congruent to N according to their measurement. So angle M will be equals to angle B because both are of 30 degrees. Angle N is of 60 degrees, so it is congruent to equal to C, angle C. And angle L is congruent to angle A because both are of 90 degrees.